never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Welcome back to the channel. It's your guy Dan, and tonight is our Smackdown, July 26, 2024. What can I say about tonight's Smackdown? Well, it didn't end the same. There's that shit. But other than that, it was a pretty uneventful night. The only saving grace is SmackDown is the Bloodline. And it's getting hard to defend SmackDown from the IWC. It really is. Only one thing on the show really brought more intrigue into SummerSlam. We're a week away, and 90% of the card is from Raw, bruh. Let's fucking get to this review, man. It was not a crazy night. Welcome to the SmackDown. So, first match of the night, we had Santos Escobar versus LA Knight. And LA Knight won. He did. He pinned him. And then he was attacked by Logan Paul. Uneventful. The only thing that happened, LA Knight got back up, started beating his ass, and then Escobar helped Logan Paul and said, let's both kick his ass. And that's what they did. This doesn't further the feud to me. It doesn't do anything of notice for me at all. Next we had a town down under. These nuts is what I call them. They suck, bro. They suck. And we had Terrence Crawford. He's got a match coming up. He's a boxer. And he come down and they're like, I want an apology. He said, Austin wants an apology. And Terrence knocked him the fuck out. And what's his name took out of the ring. They got a good pop. Next we had Bianca and Jade come down doing a small promo. Then the tag team champions music hit, and then they got attacked from behind. Bianca and Jade come back, so I'm expecting that this, either they're going to have a match next week or it's going to be added to the SummerSlam card, so I don't know. We still have a week away, so there could be some pretty good things going on for SmackDown for the card. Then we had a tag match, Michin with Bayley versus Nia Jax and Tiffany Stratton, and Bayley lost. She got death by yams by Nia. This is the best part of the night. This entire story, the way I'm doing these videos, I'm not going beat by beat like I used to. I'm grouping everything together. So this is the Bloodline. All this is like, look, unfortunately, you guys are going to have to forfeit your chance at the #1 contendership for the tag belts. And Solo said, nah, motherfucker. Even though Tanga Loa, the shittiest member of the Bloodline, botch king of the Bloodline, he said, no, we're not going to. He goes, we're a faction, and this man is going to be taking his space for the Bloodline. Nick Aldis said, that's fine. I mean, what are you going to do, Nick? So then we started the gauntlet match for all this. First we got Dem Phasma versus, I don't even know what their name is, Baron Corbin and Apollo Crews, which they're still finding they just became a tag team. So they're automatically thrown in this tournament to get, match just to get a #1 contender match. Do better, WWE, do better. But they did. Baron pinned the Phasma, and then the next group to come out was, that's wrong. No, that was right. The Street Profits. They came out, and it was a good back and forth with these two teams. Unfortunately, Apollo Crews got pinned by Dawkins. No, by Ford. And then we had Pretty Deadly. He was pinned by Ford. Then the club came out, the OC, and Dawkins got the pin on them, which was like, okay, cool. In the back, after the Bloodline came out, you had DIY watching the TV screens. I'm sorry, but you guys are not holding them belts. If it comes down to the Bloodline, those belts are coming. They're going back to the Bloodline, which is sad. It is sad, but at the same time, I'm for it. Montez did a cool fucking somersault flip over the ring and the LED board, and Solo looked like he had fucking diarrhea or something, dude. He was just fucking not there. And then, of course, the star of the Bloodline, who I will suspect will be Roman's mole, Jacob Fatu, got in the ring. Him and Ford went back. Ford got him up on a pop-up DDT or some sort like that. Jacob no-sold that shit, bro. He no-sold it. I was like, let's fucking go, bro. Let's go. And did another beautiful moonsault and won. So that does it. Tonight, we finally got our #1 contenders for the belts. It'll be the Bloodline versus DIY. Don't know if that's going to happen at SummerSlam. I don't know if it's going to happen next week on SmackDown. We don't know. This show was pre-taped, so this actually happened a week ago, and there's a lot of places who had the finals, everything that happened. But to tell you the truth, I don't think anyone gave a shit about this match or this card or this show for this week. This was a filler week. It was nothing important. The biggest important things we got out of this is that Bianca and Jade may get a new title shot, and the Bloodline gets a title shot. That's basically it. There's not much else to say. This show actually fucking sucked. It's a 3. It sucked. It sucked balls. It was not great. I'm finding it hard to defend SmackDown from people. I really am. The only saving grace on this show is the Bloodline. Cody's getting a lot of hate, and honestly, it's not his fault. It's the booking, but at the same time, what the fuck are we even doing with Cody Rhodes right now? I get it, you're setting it up, but we don't fucking know. This is going to be one of my negative videos of the week, guys. But that was your SmackDown review. I think that's going to be the shortest video I've ever done. This show fucking sucked. Thank you guys for coming out watching the video. And we'll catch you next time. And as always, be good people. Fuck this show.